Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram that has a parallelogram ABCD and AD is equals to 18. Now the next line is pretty important. There is this point E on AD produced means we extend the length AD such that this extended line AD is 3/5 of AE. So I am going to literally write it down at the side here. So this translates to AD length is equals to 3/5 of is times AE. And for part A, we are required to find AE. So I am going to simply substitute AD as 18. This is 3/5 multiplied by AE. And therefore, to find the value of AE, all I have to do is to divide by 3/5 on both sides. So my 18, I will divide by 3/5. On my right hand side of this equation, 3/5 divided by 3/5 equals to 1. And so this will give me a value of, this will be 30. So therefore, AE equals to 30 cm. B. They give me the area of ABCD as 450 cm square. That means this parallelogram, the area is 450. And do take note that if I'm going to use 18 as my base, then BG, which is perpendicular to AD, will be my height. So let me focus here. If I'm going to use this as my base, then this will be my height. And we know base times height equals to area of a parallelogram. So I'm going to tap on this now to find the height BG, because 18 multiplied by the height BG is equal to 450, which is the area. And to find my BG, therefore, I will just need to divide by 18 on both sides. And this will give me a value of 25 cm. And for this is for B part 1. So for B part 2, right, where we would then need to find this particular area here, which I am going to draw it out here so that it is easier for us to see that having ABE and with a perpendicular distance, here is G by the way, this is 25 cm, and we have our AE 30 cm. I hope you can see that this and this are perpendicular to one another, and therefore to find the area of triangle ABE, we just need to make use of the formula half times base times height, and in this case half times 30 times 25 to give me the final answer 300. Final answer 375 cm square. Alright, and we have come to the end of this particular problem, and thank you for watching and have a nice day.